Hello, Wanderlust warriors. Welcome to Trip In, your ultimate guide to adventure and exploration. This weekend, we're whisking you away to the stunning Lake Lure in North Carolina. Imagine serene waters, majestic peaks, and a plethora of unforgettable activities. Ready to embark on a journey filled with excitement and discovery? Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. Let's get started. From tranquil boat rides to thrilling escapades, we've curated the top experiences you can't miss. Buckle up and let's explore Lake Lure. First up, Lake Lure itself. Set sail on a scenic boat tour, where you'll glide over tranquil waters and marvel at the breathtaking mountain views that surround you. It's the perfect way to begin your exploration and appreciate the natural beauty of this stunning lake. Next, conquer Chimney Rock. Hike up the famous trails to reach the summit, where you'll be rewarded with panoramic views that stretch for miles. This iconic landmark offers both a physical challenge and a visual feast. Relax at Lake Lure Beach. Enjoy a day of sun and sand on the lake's picturesque shores. With its gentle waters and scenic backdrop, it's the ideal spot for swimming, picnicking, or simply unwinding by the lake. Stroll along the flowering bridge. This enchanting walkway is adorned with vibrant flowers and lush greenery, offering a serene and picturesque setting perfect for a leisurely walk or a memorable photo. Discover the historical museum. Immerse yourself in Lake Lure's rich history through engaging exhibits and artifacts that narrate the region's past and highlight its cultural heritage. Indulge in a vineyard tasting. Sample a selection of local wines while enjoying the scenic vineyard views. It's a delightful way to savor the region's flavors and unwind in a beautiful setting. Visit the farmers market. Explore a variety of fresh produce, homemade goodies, and unique crafts. This vibrant market is the perfect place to experience local flavors and pick up some one-of-a-kind finds. Experience the zipline adventure. Feel the thrill as you soar through the treetops, taking in exhilarating views of Lake Lure from a unique vantage point. It's an adrenaline-pumping way to see the area from above. Embark on a Buffalo Creek hike. Traverse through scenic trails that wind through lush forests and serene landscapes. This hike offers a peaceful retreat into nature and a chance to enjoy the great outdoors. Dine at a local restaurant. Treat yourself to a culinary experience at one of Lake Lure's charming eateries. From southern classics to gourmet creations, the local dining scene offers something to please every palate. Explore the Legends Trail. Follow this self-guided tour through historic landmarks and discover the intriguing stories and legends that have shaped Lake Lure's rich cultural tapestry. Catch local events. Check out the weekend's vibrant festivals and community events. Whether it's live music, arts and crafts, or local fairs, these gatherings provide a lively glimpse into Lake Lure's vibrant culture. That wraps up our guide to an amazing weekend in Lake Lure. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to Trip In, and don't forget to tap the bell icon for more travel inspiration. Share your favorite Lake Lure experiences or tips in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Thanks for watching.